It's the last time y'all gonna see the base bumper on my car, man. Last time y'all gonna see this. What's good, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Y'all already know it's your boy Six. And today we got a banger. If y'all can see behind me to my right, it's something in some bubble wrap. Pretty large object. Y'all already know it's the Insport bumper, man. Today we finna install the Insport front bumper finally. We already got the rear. We throwing on the Insport front bumper. I'm about to get the side skirts in a week or two. After that, I'm gonna have basically everything aesthetically done to the whip that I wanna do. And yes, I'm rocking it without paint. I'm the only dude in the A that's riding around here with an F30 with an Insport kit on it with no paint. It's just different, and that's why I kind of fuck with it right now. But I am gonna get the whip wrapped eventually in a little bit. Probably around Christmas time I'll get it wrapped. I don't know what color yet, but I'm gonna get it wrapped eventually. That's why I'm not painting them right now. But yeah, gang, we finna slide over to my dog wheel spot, throw the bumper on, go hop on the roads or something. My next plan after the bumper and the side skirts is that I'm gonna get a charge pipe and go stage 1. So I'm gonna get some real power so I can really race with these cats out here, because lately I've been getting pulled on by some faster whips, some Corvettes, some M's. I gotta get some more speed. So got the bumper right here. We finna go install it. I'm gonna catch y'all when we pull up to wheel spot. Let's get it. It's the last time y'all gonna see the base bumper on my car, man. Last time y'all gonna see this base bumper on the car. Cause today we going M Sport. We got two 6 Series, M6. I think this is a convertible, like 650 or something. But yeah, gang, last time y'all gonna see the base bumper on here. We finna go ahead and get right. Let's rock. He's struggling. Got the wheels off. Take the liner out. Be able to get to these screws up here. Get to these ducts easier. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm missing hella screws down here. Y'all see me getting all the 8mm out from underneath the bottom with the drill. The 8mm screws. That's wrong. My slime. My slime. We outside. I got all the 8mm out. You know what I'm saying? You're taking the T15s, T20s and T30s off the top. We're gonna have this bump off.
Yeah, I heard what that boy said. He ain't doing shit. That man just capping for the film, you know what I'm saying? Acting like he doing something. All he did was take out these little screws right here. He ain't do shit.
Man, y'all see my shirt, man. Come on, man.
And the camera, it look
I
white.
have another shirt. This is what I'm looking like for the rest of the fucking night.
And the camera, it looked white.
When you were working on cars.
Dirty world, dirty job, man. Dirty job.
That's the consequences.
I'm finna go to the dispensary after you put this on.
Huh?
The dispensary.
Dispensary.
You going to get some weed.
No, man. Ain't no fucking dispensaries out here.
Yeah, there is. That's what I'm saying. That's why I had to bust your head. Dispensary on his dumb ass. He don't even know what I'm talking about. Like, that's how you know his ass ain't from out here yet. Dispensary.
Oh, bump off. M Sport. Yes, sir.
Because those are the same size as mine.
Well, yours ain't fitting either. So how you did yours?
Nah, what you talking about?
Nah, I'll make some shake. But yeah, gang, we got the front, we got the bumper off. Finna throw the new one on. I gotta transfer over the PDCs and whatnot. Let's get active. Everything getting clipped in. Finally. This shit actually kind of hard. Kind of struggling right now. Whew. We getting there, gang. About to throw the fog lights in and transfer over the PDCs. We got the breaker bar out the way, the new ducts in place. Only thing left is to transfer over the PDCs and throw in the new fog lights. I just threw in the kidney grills. The carbon looks kind of hard with the matte black on there, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, gang, we getting it. This shit is a long process, I'm not gonna lie. Do not think you can do this quick. Do not think that you were gonna do this quick. Fog lights installed, PDCs installed. Well, this one we gotta get in, but all of them, everything transferred over nicely, smoothly. Finna throw it on.
I don't really know, you know what I'm saying? Like, everything my car is supposed to be at. You feel me? It's like
M Sport. It's on.
Shit.
About to screw in all the screws. We here, we made it. Shout out to my man Will, man.
He like,
Thanks, Will. Without Will, I would not been able to do this shit alone, y'all. Do not try to do this shit by yourself. Make sure you have somebody to help you because there's some stuff that you cannot do by yourself. But yeah, I'm finna screw everything back in. You're looking great though. All right, y'all. So we had a lot of problems with the fitment of these 8 mils up here.
for real.
So what we did was we just put in some self-tapping screws. We just drilled them in from bumper to metal. My boy Will got everything you need in when the time of struggle. These pieces, this piece right here is where the 8 mils screwed in before, and it's all stripped. It's broken in half. It wasn't fitting. So we did a self-tapping screw. We drilled them in. Thanks to my man Will. Will, where you at? If you in Atlanta, get at Will. He's gonna get your car right no matter what the situation is. No matter if your shit broken, if you out of OEM, your OEM parts went bad, he has replacement. He has everything you need. No cap. M Sport bumper is on. We finna hit the roads. But y'all know the vibes. Dang. We finally done here. Finally, we got the M Sport bumper on, man. When I tell y'all, this shit took forever, yo. But check out the F30. Yo, this shit is fire. I ain't gonna lie, this shit looks so hard. Oh my goodness. Yeah, finally. Only thing next is the side skirts. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But to me, this just made the F30 look even harder. We outside though. We finna hit a little meat or whatever. But y'all see, man. Shout out to my guy over here, my guy Will, man. You know he blew his old turbo. He put the old stock turbo back in, so we just riding around. But yeah, gang, that's the M Sport bumper install. Man, I'm dirty, I'm sweaty, I'm tired. But I appreciate y'all for tapping in though, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.
I seen you couldn't breathe, I tried to give you my hand. I told her she could leave, cause she's not in my plans. I'm not your man, I be counting bands while I drive my Benz with my fucking friends. I guess we're too hot now,